Alright, need these. All dressed up, we're ready to rock. Alright everybody, good morning. How is everybody doing? Welcome back to a generation vlog. My name is Jake, and if you guys are new watching these vlogs, welcome to the Jake Generation. And subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you guys are new, we are on the road to 1,000 subs. That's 3 zeros, not 2. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It's going to be a banger. It's going to be an amazing one. It's the first home game of the season for the Miami Hurricanes. We will be out there. We will be getting coverage in some of the best seats in the stadium. I'll be showing you guys the food, the seating arrangements, and the game. Of course, having fun. But before that, we're going to have a great rest of the day. It's 2 p.m. now, so happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good afternoon. I'm going to go get some food, and we're going to get into this day. Here, Pee-wee, Payway, this place is fire. Alexis likes Panda Express more, but, you know, it was between this and Polo Tropical for me. Let's go get some Payway. I'm hyped. Let's go. U-game today. Woohoo! This place reminds me of, like, downtown Disney. It was a minute for you guys, but literally I sat there ordering with that woman for, like, 5 minutes. I'm very indecisive, but we got what we want. Dang, this food looks gas. I'm so hungry. Let's go head home so I can eat this up and continue the day. Okay, came home, ate food, and then live streamed. We had an amazing live stream. We streamed some Madden, and now I'm throwing back on the kicks, and we are going to get out of here. I think I'm going to go run up to Best Buy and purchase NBA 2K, and then we're going to go get Lexi and get ready for the Hurricanes game. Heading up to Best Buy before we head out there. This is a smaller Best Buy, but nonetheless going in here for that NBA game. Fueling up. Then we're headed to the Canes game. Let's go, baby. It's time to break this no-win streak. First game of the year, and we are out here, and we're coming here. It's time, baby. Game 1 at home.
She like, wait a minute, what you told me? You were talking to a version of the old me. Now you're talking to a version of the cold me. Up with some white strengths, get to know me.
The perfect frosting definitely did not last long. First taste test of her donut. It's good.
It's delicious.
Do I have mine on my nose, y'all? Looking at these sandwich places. Might have to snag one of these over there. So fire. I remember this from last year. Y'all might be seeing that right now. Okay, couple of carved sandwiches. Brisket. This very well might be the thumbnail of the day right here. Oh my goodness, these look fire. Let's go take them back to the suite. Best seats in the stadium, and let's go watch this game. Okay, y'all, we just settled in. Honestly, a pretty decent crowd against Savanna State. Donut now. I can't believe I just forgot the word donut. But N'Kosi Perry just threw for his first touchdown of his career, and that sums it up right there. I know it. If N'Kosi Perry was starting, we would have most definitely beaten LSU. After N'Kosi's first drive ends in a touchdown, Canes up 28-0. His second drive went 3 and out, so we're just not going to count that one at all. That one didn't count. It's halftime, y'all. You know what that's time for? To leave because you don't want to listen to the band. Walk around. She's going to walk around. We're going to find something, maybe get some thumbnail-worthy stuff. We were just here. Put what on the video? Checking it out outside.
That's so cute.
What? Look at this. Look through the camera, baby. Here, get in a photo. We are out on the field. Definitely not as good as our seats in the box, which I think are the best seats. So you guys are getting some good vlog footage. I'm going to get a lot of the game in the second half. But
Take it slow, take it away, keep it going. Let me smoke on something strong, get in my zone. Take it away.
Alright, we are behind the scenes here. We're behind the scenes in the food area. Lexi. Ew. We're behind the scenes in the food area of Hard Rock Stadium now. We took a wrong turn on the stairs. Oh! Touchdown, King! That's what I'm talking about. Putting 6 on the board. Alright, I know who we're getting in Madden tomorrow. And we gotta stop. And then before I could even pick y'all up to record, Malik Rozier came back in and threw a pick. Perry with 2 touchdowns, Malik with a goose egg. And a bunch of picks.
I fight hard.
Let's look at this play. Oh, DJ's breaking loose. All the way down to the 3. Go. Perry in the gun. I like that little clap. Oh, just overthrew him. Let's go again. Perry, come on, brother. Chuck that bad boy in. Zone touchdown. Let's go. That's another bad boy right there. Let's go. Number 9, Belvin Jordan once again. Perry's just throwing up dots. Oh, look at this hit, y'all. Look at this hit. Ooh! Took him out. They scored. Everybody's hyped. I just didn't think it was worthy to show the play because it wasn't Perry. No. Weldon with the keeper. Finally, Lingard gets a chance to shine. I think she wants to go see how far down towards the field we can get. So if we do that, I'll show you guys.
Take a picture real quick. I don't care, but
Gotcha.
Alright.
Okay, that guy stopped us. Lexi wanted to come down to the bottom. Not over in the cane section, but nonetheless.
Pay for a lifetime on your bundles. I'm my nuts. I was 6 and your mama. Nigga, we smoked them. We don't care about no karma. All the homies gon' protect like Obama. Ancient gold Rolex like a condom. Rose gold 6 foes on a Tonka. Rose gold 6x4s on a Tonka.
And I had to fill y'all in. Lorenzo Lingard, the fastest player in college football, breaks it. And the Canes just scored the most points ever. Alright, leaving the stadium. 77-0 is our final. Yes. That's a W for sure. Back in my room now, and okay, y'all, back at the house now, just finishing up the night. This is where we're going to end it. And I just picked this up, Xbox One 2K19 tonight, and I'm just opening it up, and I'm gonna load it up on the Xbox so that we can stream it tomorrow. So just right off the bat, I just wanted to show y'all this. You get this little wristband or something, and here's the add-on stuff, I guess. If there's anything else cool, but if not, thank you guys so much for watching this. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Welcome to the generation. Thank you guys for the first game of Miami Hurricane season.